Hey guys, this is Michael Alexander with Coinsider, and thanks for tuning in to another Quick Charts video. Today is April 11th, about 2 p.m. New York time. If you haven't seen our demo video, it is in the link in the description. Please follow that to help you navigate a little bit better. Before we jump into Quick Charts, just a little bit of a recap of what it is. Quick Charts brings you many top analysts' price predictions all in one page to save you time with possibly lots of research and for you to be able to quickly compare top analyst price predictions in one page so you can get an idea of where the market could be heading and you may not miss out on the next major price move, and that's what everybody wants. So let's jump into Quick Charts and get an idea of what's happening in the market. This is just the Quick Charts illustrations, and we have more details below, but let's just look at the illustrations, what's happening. We have here on the left hand side, well, first of all, if we look at the four, we see a lot of similarities. We see the next major price move, 4,500, 4,888, 4,700, 4,900, 4,250. So if you look at the Quick Charts overall, the next major price move is somewhere in that 4,500 price range. One analyst has 2,500, but he didn't mention if there's anything intermediate, but we will get into detail. So that is the overall trend of the analysts that we have today. They are all bearish. I didn't have any bullish analysts today. I will update you on that report as well. And now that you know the next major price point, well, let's start over here. The current price is around 6,900. We're going to 4,250. There's a condition here, 7,200. If we break above that, it could be a bullish scenario. That's what this Quick Charts is reading. Then this Quick Charts, again, starting price point 6,900, down to 6, bounce, and back to 4,900. So 6,000 is the next major price move for this chart, but 4,900 is the final price move. Then you have 6,900 down to 4,888 is the final price move. You have 6,900 down to 4,700, bounce up, and then to 2,600 range. Doesn't mean that this is exactly 2,600. Every time you see a square, it's a range, similar to this one. Then you have here from current price point down to 4,500, bounce up, down to 3,000 range, then 6,900 down to 2,500. That should also be a range as well. Now let's get into prediction and reasoning. The first chart was by Filicone, April 10th, the other day. He came out with it. He sees it bearish down to 4,250. If we break above 7,200 and the 200 EMA on the 4-hour chart, it could be bullish, but he is leaning bearish. And then you can get into details in his videos. He goes into more details of his Elliott wave counts. Then we have Tony Vase going down to 6,000, bouncing up, and then down to 4,900. He uses candlesticks. He mentioned if we get down to 4,900 too quick, it's not good. We could see a lower Bitcoin price. He does see the weekly candle chart, very bearish, and for the details of his candle charts, please see his video. It's in the social medias right here. Then we have D-Fork Energy. It's very bearish. He uses Elliott wave theory, and he combines several things in order to get down to this price point here. Please visit his TradingView channel to see it. Again, all of our charts for the analyst are below. If you want to have a quick view, we have their charts below. We have Real Crypto. He believes we're going into a zone of 5,600 to 4,700 around here. He's leaning to the lower 4,700 area. Then we're having a bounce up, and then we're going to have in a region of 3,600 to 2,600 to finish off. He believes that this is going to be a false bottom, that a lot of people are going to think it's the real bottom. And then we have AP. He's on YouTube and also on Twitter, and he believes we're heading down first to 4,500. Then we'll have a bounce up, and then we will have a finishing price on 3,000. He looks at things from the monthly, then the weekly to justify his bearish views, and then he uses Elliott wave. His Elliott wave is a little bit different from the others, so please see his YouTube channel, his latest video on April 11th for the details on that. And we also have his chart below for his prediction. And then we have Financial Freedom on April 8th. He has us going from 6,900. A major trend line here should be broken. And once we break that, we are going to head downward towards our finishing 2,500 to 3,000 price point. He does use Elliott wave to justify his finishing price point, as well as trend lines to see that. So please visit his YouTube or go down below to our charts, which are coming directly from the analysts. So again, that was today's quick chart summary. We do see a bearish scenario. Well, we do have 6 bearish analysts, and many of them are predicting the next major price move to be in that 4,500 area, 4,500 to 5,000. So keep an eye on that price. If you're trading, you may want to adjust your trading for that price. And we have one analyst down to this destination. The final destination for 3 analysts here are in that 2,500 to 3,000 zone as well. So that was our summary for today. This is just the analyst's opinions and Coinsider's opinions. If you're doing any trading or making any financial decisions, please do your own due diligence, as Coinsider is not a financial advisor. So thanks for tuning in to another Quick Charts video on the 11th of April, and we look forward to seeing you tomorrow.